Hey, what's up? How's it going? It's Nim Garza here, and welcome to your Facebook ads training. And in this section, we're going to be teaching you how to install your Facebook pixels and the importance for them. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So right now, okay, you should be on your business manager account. Okay, so we just finished creating your business manager account. We connected a fan page. Okay, either you connected one or you created a new one, or you connect your ad account or you create a new ad account. And now we're here where we're going to set up your pixels. So right here on the very top, you're going to notice you got these three little lines here. Let's go ahead and click that, and you're going to notice this big drop down. So you got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sections here. In this middle section where it says measure and report, go ahead and scroll all the way down, okay, until you see pixels. It's going to be the 5th one down. So let's go ahead and click on pixels. All right, so let's wait for this to load. So with these pixels, man, they're super important. These are codes that Facebook gives you, and they allow you to track website activities. It helps you improve your return on advertising. And also, like I said before, it's going to help you reach new and existing customers. So it's not just going to go out and reach just anybody, okay? It's going to reach people who are similar to people who have already, visited your ad, okay, and who've clicked on your website before. Why? Because those people have shown interest, but with the data that Facebook collects, okay, from them, that's what allows them to be able to find people who are similar, okay? So this is super, super important. So right here, you got where you can track website activities, and lots of times whenever you have a sales funnel, you got different, you probably got, multiple different pages within that funnel, and you want to track those stats, okay? Because these are different. There's different ads that you can send out to retarget your prospects, to get them to perform certain activities. Like click on this button. You forgot to put in your email. You forgot to sign up. Okay. You forgot to book your free consultation call with me. So very, very simple. And, also helps you improve your return on advertising. So what this is, okay, so lots of times, people, they're running ads, they don't even have their pixels installed, and people, when they click on their ad, okay, they might be serious people. You don't know. Lots of times people don't sign up right away. If they're action takers, they'll end up signing up, but most of the times people aren't that quick to take action. Okay, they need to see more. They need more proof. Lots of times, with these higher ticket items, they might want to get on a phone call with you. With these lower ticket items, you don't need to do all that, but you do need to be able to send them, more ads, and, of course, with your emails that you have connected with your, with a landing page, with your capture page, you capture their email, and you start sending them emails automatically every day. But not just the emails that are going to be sent out every single day to those guys, but your Facebook ad will be sent out every day because you have that pixel installed. Okay, that's that code. Now that they clicked on it, this is the importance of that code. Now they're going to get your Facebook ad every day on their page. So not only are they going to see your ad that one time, they're going to see it every single day, from there on out, as long as you keep paying for these ads. And that helps you, put your ad back in front of them, and, and help you close more sales. Okay, so this is going to help you increase your sales conversions. And then keep in mind, imagine all of these people looking at your ad, right? You got about 1,000 people looking at your ad. And this is whenever you're able to create, a lookalike audience. So this is what it means, to be able to reach new and existing customers. So you'll show your ad to people based on the actions they take on your website. Create a lookalike audience. Okay, so the lookalike audience is basically similar people, to reach people similar to your best customers. So like I said earlier in the video before, okay, this is kind of like Facebook's artificial intelligence system. And this is how they're going to, get out there and reach people for you, okay, because of the people that you targeted. And, of course, you're targeting a specific, crowd, a specific audience, due to your products or services. So with that being said, okay, I hope you fully understood this. Okay, so like I'm gonna go over it one more time. That way you fully understand. So you can track website activities. You can see the actions that people are taking. You can see who clicked on this page, to who put in their email and visited the second page, to who signed up, and then they're gonna retarget those same people every single day until they end up signing up. And then Facebook is going to help you reach new customers, to the people who have previously saw your ad. So super powerful, man. I know you're excited and you're probably like, wow, man, I can't believe I didn't know this, before, but hey, man, you're here now. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to hit this green button right here and it says create a pixel. So now that we land on here, okay, it's already got your name here. It's NIMS Business Pixel. Okay, if you want to name this something else, okay, say if you have you're selling some type of product, whatever the name is, okay, like say you're selling shoes, you're selling shirts, your gym, you can put whatever you want to name your pixel, man. That way you can because there's many more pixels that you can create as well, and track different conversions on different websites that you've created, whatever you want to track these pixels for. Okay, of course you're going to use these pixels because you're going to be posting ads and you want to get the most out of your ads. So I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it like this, NIMS Business Pixel. But like I said, you can edit this and change it according to whatever you want it to be, okay, for your business or whatever your product name or service is. So we'll hit create and it's going to create this pixel code for us. Okay, so NIMS Business Pixel, you've created your pixel. So I mean, like if I go too fast in this video, I don't want to bore you out and go super and, make these videos super duper long, but I do want to make it, long enough to where it's very powerful to where you guys fully understand this stuff. So right here, you got 3 different tabs. Okay, you got use an integration or tag manager, manually install the code yourself, or email instructions to a developer. You never want to do the first one or the second one. You always want to do this middle one here where it says manually install the code yourself. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install this code. So what you're going to want to do, okay, is never mind. Don't choose this first code here. You want to use this number 2 here. Okay, and this is just an example, but you want to use number 2. So you'll click on it and it automatically copies. Okay. And then you'll go to ClickFunnels. Okay, this is my website builder. If you have a different website funnel builder, you just go to YouTube and find out how to install those pixels on that page. But with ClickFunnels, okay, the people who work with me, my students, the people that I teach and train, we want you guys to be using the best systems, because we want the best of the best for our business. So this is what we use. Okay, so when for my ClickFunnels users, okay, let's go ahead and and look for our funnel. Okay, the funnel that we want to add this pixel code to. Okay, the one that the website that's connected to the funnel that we're going to attach to our Facebook ad later. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and click my econ-sales funnel. This is the sales funnel I want to edit, especially for this training video for my econ students. Okay, I know I got a lot of students, in my econ. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use this. So with this funnel here, okay, it's just a 2-step funnel, very simple but powerful funnel here. Okay, so first of all, we got this page here. This is our landing page. Where we capture the email. This is gonna be our sales page where people are viewing the content. They're checking out the testimonials, the videos, and they're looking at the benefits that are being that my econ provides, or whatever whatever your services provide. Okay, of course your each page is gonna have a different objective on it. So right here, the objective of this one is to capture the lead. But right away, okay, so like I said, we're gonna copy this code down. We'll come back to ClickFunnels, and you're gonna notice we got a settings tab right here. So we're gonna go ahead and click on settings. All right, and once that opens up, you're gonna notice this page here. Okay, and what you're gonna want to locate is the head tracking code. Yes, I've got my code already installed here, because for anybody that clones my sales funnel, you're gonna have everything that that's on my funnel. It's gonna be cloned onto yours. So what you're gonna want to do is delete that code and paste a new one in there. Okay, you're gonna paste this code that we just copied and paste it in there. Never put it in the body tracking code, always in the head tracking code. And you're gonna want to come all the way down and hit save and update settings. All right, so we did save and update settings. Now what we're gonna come back and do, okay, so what we're gonna do next, we're gonna attach some codes into these funnels here. That way we can track conversions now. Okay, this is a main code that we installed right here, And that's the only code that you're gonna need to install for this funnel. So this is gonna be the main code, and when you install this code here, it automatically it automatically installs on all of these pages. You know, you can have, I know I have 2 of them here, but if you have a funnel that has like 8 different steps here, this code here would be able to track all of these people. But later on, you want to get more into depth, right? You want to be able to send these guys different ads, right? Imagine if there's somebody who clicks on this page right here, and you know, they don't put in their email, right? We can be able to send them an ad like, hey man, I noticed you clicked on my website, you know, but forgot to put in your email, you know, to access the awesome information. You see what I'm saying? Or to gain instant access, you know, whatever your product or service is, you know, there's a different way you're going to write your ad copy out, but you know, you get the point. Okay. This way we can retarget them and get them to take that action. Okay. And, you know, and put in their email right there. And then right here, imagine if we have people who do put in their email on this previous page here on your capture page, and they visit the sales page, they checking all that info out, but they just don't sign up. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to send them an ad saying, hey man, I noticed you visited my website and even put in your email to access the awesome information, you know, about our awesome credit repairing service. Let's face it, man, you need a better let's face it, man, you know, you need a better credit score. You know, oh, you know, I messed up. No, you in the beginning of the ad, you want to say, you know, hey man, I noticed you visited my website and even put in your email, you know, but for, you know, to access the awesome information, but forgot to complete the final step. Okay, they forgot to complete the final step and get started with us. Okay, and what that means is they didn't sign up. So you can send them that ad to get them to want to sign up. Okay, but this is the retargeting process, and you can't do that if you don't have these other codes installed. But before we get to there, okay, before we get to that part, what we're gonna need to do, okay, we're gonna go ahead and click on our landing page. We're gonna copy this link down right here. Okay, and we're going to complete these last steps really quick. So you're going to notice, okay, we're going to turn this on right here. Okay, we want to turn on automatic advanced matching. Then we're going to send test traffic to our pixel. That way we can see if we installed it correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and I put my link there. Okay, remember I copied it from right here. And then I'm going to hit send test traffic. So it's going to send test traffic. You can X this out right here. And you're going to notice it's got no activity yet, but okay, so now we see that it's active. All right, so it just turned from red to green. Okay, so now we know our pixel code is installed correctly. And then one more thing, okay, before we move on to the conversions tracking codes. Okay, you want to install this Facebook pixel helper. Okay, and this I already have it installed on my computer. Okay, Facebook is actually tracking me right now and all the stuff that I'm doing on their page. You know, later on they might send me some ads, but I don't know. You know, but this is the tracking. This is what this Facebook Pixel Helper will help you do, and also you can see the type of conversions that they want to track. You know, as well. So they have a main code that they have here, and they have a pixel attached onto a button here. And you know, page visibility. I don't know what all this, you know, what that means, but you know, you can see the pixels that people are using. And imagine if you have somebody else in your niche, you know, that are running Facebook ads, and you have this installed. You visit their website, you can see what kind of pixels they have, and put those same pixels on your page. Okay, and that kind of helps you kind of like funnel hack, you know. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit install the Facebook Pixel Helper. You'll click download now. Okay, I don't need to download it, but I already have it. And right here it would say download to Chrome, and right here it's telling me to remove it because it knows I already have it installed. But you'll go ahead and install that plugin, and then you'll be good to go. You'll see this great deal pop up just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit X. Okay, I don't need to do it, but that's something that you guys definitely need to do, and just get it done right now. Okay, and you can pause this video, or if you want to do it at the end of the video, it's your call. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue, and this is where we'll be able to track events. So what is an event? Okay, an event is an action on your website that can be tracked. Okay, when someone clicks a button or visits a page, okay, like when they visit one of these pages, and you can identify the events that matter to you. Okay, this matters, right? This is very important that they don't put in their email. So we want them to put in that email. You know, imagine if somebody visits this page, like I told you a while ago, and they don't put in their email. Okay, that's what you're tracking this code for. That because lots of times they might not put in their email and start receiving your emails. So just because they clicked on your ad, we're gonna retarget them and send them an ad saying, hey man, I noticed you visited my website but forgot to put in your email to access the info about our awesome credit repairing service or whatever services or products you provide. And then also, so with the Facebook Pixel, you can identify the events that matter to you and give them categories like add to cart or purchase that reflect the visitor's action. Why should I add events? By adding events, you enable Facebook to show ads to people likely to take a specific action, which we call a conversion, or build audiences of people who triggered a specific event. You can also add parameters that pass unique information, such as the dollar value of a purchase. Okay, you can add, you can see how, like, if somebody completed a conversion, you have a price of something that if you have say if you're tracking somebody who made it to your order form, and they purchased it, and they made it to your thank you page, and on your thank you page, for a fact that they bought it already, right? So you can add whatever the name the price of your product is into these conversions. That way on Facebook you can see how much money you made, right? So then that helps you see your cost per click and cost per lead and all that good stuff. So how do I add events? Okay, I'm not gonna read all this here, but I'm just go ahead and show you how to add this stuff. So like I said, man, you can have different, you have multiple different pages on here with, sometimes you might have a page here where somebody has to order, with this setup here with the business that we're, with this credit repair service, that I have this funnel set up for, it doesn't allow me to track the conversion on the order form. So this is as far as we can go. So, but if you have more funnel steps here where, they have an order form here, you can click, and also you can add some of these codes, to some buttons, if somebody added something to a cart, you see what I'm saying, man? I hope you get the point. All right. But, right now, okay, what we're going to go ahead and do is install these codes for this funnel. So right here where you're going to notice you've got this arrow here. Okay, you want to click on that arrow and just open both of these pages really quick because we're going to need it here in a bit. So I just want to show you a couple of things as well. This video is going to automatically play. I'll go ahead and pause it. Okay, I guess it did it. So let me see. Go ahead and X this out. Okay, so right here, okay, we got our capture page. Okay, so this is going to be the first page that we install our code to. Okay, what are we trying to do here? Okay, we're trying to capture their email. Okay, so when we capture anybody's email, it's a no-brainer. Okay, we're generating a lead. So when we come back here, the pixel code that we want to install is, let's find it here. Okay, lead. So we want to turn that on. Come down here, right here where it's got the code. Okay, don't use this second code here. Use this one here, the first one. We'll click on it. We'll copy it. We'll come back to our funnel here. We'll go to the funnel step. Make sure you click on the right funnel step. Hit edit page. And like I said, guys, if I'm moving too fast, pause the video, rewind it, and do what you have to do to, fully, install this stuff correctly. But I want to make sure I cover everything. Okay, I want to cover everything. And for me, this is super simple. And to you, it's going to be simple as well, especially after watching this video a couple of times and performing this action. So what we're going to do is hit settings right here. You're going to see on the top, it says settings. And the third tab down, it says tracking code. So this is where we want to install that code. So you got script. Well, this is the code that I've already got installed. This is going to be the same code that you have that we're about to install. But like I said earlier, anytime somebody clones my funnels, this is the code that's going to be on there. All right, so we want to hit backspace. We want to copy that. We want to delete it, and then paste your new code in there. Okay, but always inside the header code, not inside the footer code. Okay, and after you paste it in there, you're going to hit X, and you're going to hit save. Make sure you save it. Don't forget that, and then you'll hit back. Okay, you'll go back. Okay, now we're looking to install the second code on the second page so we can track these conversions now. So on the sales page here, okay, let me move the sales page over here. Okay, what are these people doing? Okay, they're viewing the videos, they're reading all this good stuff, They're looking at the services that we provide. They're reading through all this stuff, okay? And they also see the testimonials. They're watching the videos. But what are they doing here, okay? They're looking at how to get started. They're watching the video. So what are they doing, okay? So what we can do is come back and turn this off. Are they making a purchase just yet? No. They haven't clicked on this button here to get started yet. We're not getting the lead here no more. We just did that on the previous page. They're not completing the registration. They haven't added payment info yet. They're not doing any of this. All they're doing is viewing the content for now. Okay, so we're going to open this view content tab here. We're going to click it, open it up, scroll down. This first code here, you're going to want to hit copy. All right, and then you're going to come back here. Same thing like we did to the previous page. We're going to hit edit page here. Okay. And we're gonna locate the settings tab all the way down here to where the third tab down where it says tracking code, and inside the header code again. Okay, like I said, when people clone my funnel, we're gonna have this code installed automatically. Most of you will see this, so you want to delete that, okay, and then just paste yours in there. Of course, it's the same code, but I just want you to get used to doing it. Okay, that way you get that hands-on training. And that hands-on action. Hands-on is always best. So I'm going to go ahead and hit X and save. All right. And we're going to go back. So that's pretty much it for installing these codes. Now we're going to go ahead and set up the conversions. All right. So after you're done with this, you're going to go ahead and hit done. And right here, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to come to our events manager right here. Well, it's not events manager. That this lots of times this right here is gonna these words here will change all the time depending on which one you click on, but these three little lines here, just click on it. The drop down is gonna come down. You'll go to business settings, and I want to show you some cool stuff, man. Okay, you can attach your Instagram right here. That way, whenever you're getting ready to post ads, there's gonna be a tab later on, in the next video of the training, where I teach you how to actually target, you'll be able to click off on the Instagram tab. That way these ads that are on Facebook also go to your Instagram. So very, very cool stuff, man. I know lots of times you see ads that are on Facebook and you see the same thing on Instagram. You're like, wow, man, that's pretty cool. How can I do that? This is how you do it, man. So like I said, you click on these three tabs here. You go to business settings. Okay, you got Instagram account right here. You're gonna locate it on the left side, and you'll click add your account here. But most importantly, okay, just because we set up these pixels, we're gonna look for data sources, and we want to add that pixel code. We want to add that pixel to our account, right? To our business account, to our ad account. So we're gonna go ahead and hit pixels right here. Okay, you want to look for assign ad account right here on the right side. And make sure you click it, okay, and hit save changes. And that's it, okay? Now we can go back and create our custom conversions. All right, so we just installed our codes. I taught you about the pixels already. Now we're gonna create our custom conversions. So these three tabs here, this drop down is gonna pop up in the middle tab here where it says measure and report. Come all the way down. It's gonna be the second to the last one. So we hit custom conversions. And wait for it to load. So learn from custom conversions. Okay, you can learn, what from what your prospects are doing. If they clicked on this page to the next page, because you can see the stats. And I'll show you right now in a bit after we're done with this how you can track those stats and how you can see the numbers and all that good stuff. Okay, then you can optimize for custom conversions. You can share custom conversions. And just read through this stuff. Okay, just read through it. That way you fully understand what it's for. It says see the details of how customers interact with your business, like the price and style of the shoes they view on your website, app, or in a physical store. Like literally, man, you can get into depth with this stuff. Okay, this is killer stuff right here. People aren't using it. Then to optimize for customer conversions, you can use custom conversions to show ads to people who are most likely to take specific actions. You can use this feature once you've recorded at least 50 conversions for a custom conversion. Then you can share custom conversions. Collaborate on a campaign by sharing custom conversions with other ad or business accounts on Facebook or with third-party agencies. So you can share this stuff with people. You can optimize for custom conversions and learn from, you know, the actions that your prospects are taking, you know, on your pages. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and hit create custom conversion. All right. So I hope all this is making sense. I know you guys are excited, and let's get this last part done here for the pixels. So right now, okay, you're gonna notice it's asking for a URL. So what we're gonna want to do is for the first page that we're tracking here, okay, well, we want to copy down that our URL. So you'll go to that page here, and like I said, if you don't know how to open this page up, you just click on here. Don't copy this code down here. You want to click on this one here, and it's going to open up this page. Okay, let me go ahead and X this out. It's going to open up. I just opened up my sales page, but first I want to start with my landing page. So I'll open this up. I'll copy down the URL domain. I'm gonna go ahead and hit paste right here. Okay, you want to paste right here. You don't have to change any of this stuff. You just leave it just like that. And then for your name, okay, so this right here is a website for MyEcon. This is a company called MyEcon, and I built this funnel for students who are for those affiliates who are struggling to close sales, you know, who don't know how to build a website, and powerful 2-step funnel here. So go back here. Okay, so right here, this is our landing page. So I'm gonna name it MyEcon landing page. All right, and then remember, guys, okay, the code that we installed here was the lead code. Okay, that's the pixel code that we installed. Why? Because we're generating the lead. So right here where it says select a category, you want to click on that and look for lead. Okay, so hit lead, and you'll just hit create right here. Alrighty, so we just created our conversion, and we can hit done. All right, now you're gonna notice that this popped up here. There's no activity yet because we just installed it. No new people have visited this website so far. Okay, of course, because we just created this pixel. Okay, and we just installed it and created the conversion. So now we're gonna go to our sales page. We're gonna go ahead and copy that down. Okay, remember this is our landing page. When they put in their email and they click that button, they're gonna land on this page right here. They're gonna receive all your automatic emails and all that good stuff. So we're gonna hit copy, come back here, and this blue button right here, create custom conversion again, and we're gonna do the same step. Okay, you're gonna put your link right there, the one that we just copied down. We're gonna name the conversion. So this is a sales page right here. Okay, this is a sales page. So I'm gonna name this MyEcon sales page. All right, and like I said earlier, okay, like, you know, what did we do here? Okay, we're generating the lead on this one, but on here these people are viewing the content, and then that's the pixel code that we installed. So we want to come back to select a category and click on view content right here. So you'll locate view content, and we'll click it, and we'll hit create. All right, so it says your custom conversion MyEcon sales page has been successfully created. So we'll go ahead and hit done. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So that's what your pixels are. Okay, that's what your pixels are for. You know, your pixels are to track conversions and you know, track certain events that people are doing on your website. That way you can send different ads out. Okay, you're not just sending one blank ad and hoping people sign up. You know, you're doing what you need to do. Okay, this is the formula. This is the strategy. And we'll teach you more about that strategy later on in the next section of the training, where we teach you how to target. So that wraps it up for this video. Like I said, if I went too fast, you know, rewind it. So it does say no activity yet. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'll refresh this. I'll just wait to, I'll end this video after you see that, you know, that these went to active, and you can see how it's tracking me, you know, that I visited that website. Then I'll refresh this page as well. I don't know if I refreshed this one or not, but I'll do it again. Okay, so you can just go ahead and refresh it. That way Facebook can pick up, oh man, you know, somebody clicked on this page. It's going to say 1. It's going to say 1 right here, or 2, you know, on this one, because I think I did refresh this one twice. So what you're going to do is you just click on that, you refresh it, and let's see if Facebook's already tracking it. Okay, we know they are. We know we have the codes already. Nice. So right away, okay, you can see that it tracked the conversion. It tracked that I clicked on this page, and I didn't put in my email here yet, but you know, it did see that I also visited this page as well because I refreshed it. But now you know that your pixels are installed correctly. Also, I know you guys remember when you installed that pixel helper. Okay, now that we refreshed it, now you can see now you see that, okay, you got your pixels here. Okay, now you see which pixels are installed, and it lets you know which ones are installed on this page. So remember, we installed that main code. The main code is always going to say page view, but then the conversion that we're tracking says lead. Okay, so you know that that we're using a lead conversion on here, okay, on this page, and then on this one here. Okay, like I said, we're using this main code here, but we're viewing the content. Okay, people are viewing content, so we're able to track that conversion and send a different ad to those guys later. So that's pretty much it, man. I hope you fully understood this. And like I said, if I went too fast, okay, I know sometimes I may I may go through videos pretty quick because it's simple to me. But I do try to do my best and explain everything to you. That way you fully understand what this is for. At the end of the day, this is not rocket science, okay? So don't go out there, catching a headache over this stuff. Just rewind the video, follow it, and just do what I say, okay? So that's it. Nim Garza here, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll teach you how to locate your prospects, how to target using the Facebook ads audience insight. So let's go ahead and get there really quick, and that's it. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.